Good morning, students. Let us recall what we have already studied earlier. Real numbers and their decimal expansion. We have already seen decimal expansion of rational numbers and irrational numbers. Let us just recall. For example, here you can see 7 upon 8. This is equal to 0.875. Similarly, 10 upon 3 is equal to 3.33333. 1 upon 7, if you divide, you get like this. And root 2, its decimal expansion is so long and it continues. You can try. So, here you can see that the number is terminating after 3 places. How many places? 3 places. So, this is called terminating. This is repeating because 3 repeats again and again. So, it will be called non-terminating repeating. Similarly, here 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7, it keeps on repeating. So, this is also non-terminating repeating. So, these types of numbers which have terminating decimal expansion and non-terminating repeating decimal expansion, they are called rational numbers. All these are rational numbers. Okay. And this root 2, where the decimal expansion is non-terminating, non-repeating, they are called irrational numbers. These are irrational numbers. Now we have to find, without actually dividing, whether 7 upon 8 is terminating or non-terminating. Non-terminating. So, how to check without actually dividing? We don't have to divide. This we usually find by dividing like this. 7 divided by 8. What you do is point, then 0, 8 8s are 64, then there is remainder 6, then you put a 0, 8 7s are 56, here comes out to be 4, then you put a 0, 8 5s are 40, and the remainder is 0. So, when you get the remainder 0, it means the rational number is terminating. This is one way of checking whether the division or this rational number will be a terminating or non-terminating repeating. Is it clear? One way of finding 7 upon 8 is terminating or non-terminating is to divide by the long division method, which we have already studied previously. And if we get the remainder 0, that means it is terminating, and if the remainder does not come out to be 0, then it will be non-terminating repeating rational. Non-terminating repeating rational. Now, what is the another method? Without dividing, you have to tell whether 7 upon 8 is repeating, non-terminating repeating or terminating. Let's see.